you're wondering why my hair looks like this, it's because I just got back from the salon and I did not have my stylist blow dry it because I took Miles with me, which he did so good, but having a 3-month-old at the salon for like a whole highlight and then being toned and then a blow dry and then possibly, it's just a lot. Like, I'll go back when I need my haircut just for a haircut. I just think that's the smartest thing to do. So I'm going to blow dry my hair real quick and then I'm gonna show you guys what I have going on in my bedroom because it is crazy.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
This cabinet was in there, just everything on the dresser looks crazy. My husband and I both were like just throwing our clothes here. This is a laundry basket that he had in his half bath. And then my vanity area is crazy. There's a computer sitting there and that is from when I redid the guest room. So, and then not to mention that side of the room looks crazy. So I moved the snoot out of here and Miles is napping right now and I'm hoping he's gonna nap for like at least an hour and a half to 2 hours and I can get some of this done. So you guys are just gonna watch me clean and organize today. That is my goal. I'm gonna get this room looking a lot better than it looks right now. Okay, here's my dilemma with pillows real quick. Every time I stay in a hotel, I want like hotel pillows. Like, they're the most comfortable pillows I've ever slept on. I always feel that way, but I can never find pillows like these in the store. And I know that there's like hotel collection pillows online. Anyway, long story short, I don't like anything that's like too dense. I want something that is fluffy, but is still like, will flatten a little bit because I do tend to sleep on my stomach. I'm not a side sleeper or a back sleeper. I'm a side sleeper sometimes, but mostly on my stomach. Anyway, if you know of good pillows, please leave me a comment below and tell me where you get your pillows. I need better pillows. I'm obsessed with these Swiffer dusters. They're really inexpensive and they're just convenient to like getting under the bed for one. It's really hard to get under there with the vacuum. And then also this rug, I got it from Urban Outfitters actually for a really good price, and it's beautiful, but it's kind of thin. So I have a rug pad under it, as you can see, which helps a little bit. And it's just hard to vacuum. So what I'm gonna do, and this is what I do with all of my smaller rugs that are hard to vacuum, especially light colored ones, I just stick them in the dryer. Travels super well, and now it just stays in here. It's not very pretty, but it works, and I can see myself through this mirror. But I need to get this organized. We need to sell this computer. I need to get all this stuff out of here, and ultimately the goal is to redo our closet. That's gonna be a whole nother project. That's actually my next project. I'm super excited about it. In fact, let me show you now what I'm talking about. So this is our closet. It's just a really cramped space. So I want to do like an IKEA sort of like closet hack to like just make it more organized, have drawers in there, get rid of this dresser. And then on this side of the room, I would actually move my vanity and create a new vanity space here. And then I want to put like a really big, because our bed is over here, like a big chaise lounge there. Look at Darla, she's such a good girl. And just make it more of like a comfy spot, like a place where we can play with Miles in the morning and like kind of just get out of bed but still be in the room and have coffee and read a book and just, I don't know. I was very inspired by this room in IKEA. It was a bedroom and it had a chaise lounge next to the bed, and it was just so cozy. And your bedroom is your haven. Like, it should be a place where you can relax and hang out, and it's not just like go to bed, get up, and like leave the room. Like, that's one of the reasons I think this room looks like this right now, is because we don't utilize it, you know, in a place of like, except for just to sleep. So I want to create it to be a place where we want to spend more time. I literally have two, like, what is happening here? Two powders. Like, I don't even understand. Would not believe how much makeup, like, that is full of brushes, eyeshadow palettes, random stuff, lipsticks. This is like cheek stuff, cheek and face, like bronzers, concealers and foundations, nail polish. What is this? This is like face stuff, like setting sprays. And then I have down here extra perfume samples and my airbrush machine. And I have done so many makeup clear outs. Like I used to have, like, that thing was like even more packed before. I don't even use half this stuff. I actually really need to do another clear out. That might be a whole nother video. This is the only stuff I use. It's like just in this little tray right here. That's the stuff I use every day. It's crazy. That looks better than it did, for sure. I'm just not really feeling the whole dresser thing these days. Like, I'd rather have a really nice closet with drawers in it where I can like access things, not have to like come out of the closet and come in here to get my clothes. Okay, so this thing,